Let's take a look at this example. We have 3f1a plus fe base 16. A plus e. A is 10. E is 14. 10 plus 14 is equal 24. 24 is greater than 15, so that's why we're supposed to write 24 at the side of this problem, and from 24 we're supposed to subtract 16, the base. 24 minus 16 is equal 8. That's why I'm going to write 8 over here. And because I performed the subtraction, I'm supposed to carry off 1 to the next column. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus f, which is 15, is equal 17. Again, please keep in mind, under one column I can put only one digit. Okay, my answer from this addition is 17. Okay, so I have two digits. That's why I'm supposed to perform the subtraction. 17 minus 16. Please keep in mind, anytime you get number greater than 15, you're supposed to perform this subtraction. 17 minus 16 is equal 1. That's why you're supposed to write 1 over here. And because you perform the subtraction, you're supposed to carry of 1 to the next column. 1 plus f is 16 because 15 plus 1 gives me 16. Again, the greatest number which I can write below the column is f. 16 is greater than 15, that's why I'm supposed to perform the subtraction. 16 minus 16 is equal 0. That's why I'm going to write 0 over here. And because I performed the subtraction, I'm supposed to carry off 1 to the next column. 1 plus 3 is equal 4. That's why I can say that 3f1a plus fe is equal to 4018, and of course this is base 16. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have 9, 8, 4, C base 16 plus B, D, 4, 8 base 16 plus C is 12. 12 plus 8 is equal 20. 20 is greater than 15. That's why I'm supposed to perform the subtraction. 20 minus 16 is equal 4. That's why I'm going to write 4 over here. And because I performed this subtraction, I'm supposed to carry off 1 to the next column. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Okay, so 9 in hexadecimal is simply 9. That's why I'm supposed to write over here 9. Next, 8 plus D. D is 13. 13 plus 8 is equal 21. That's why I have to perform the subtraction again. 21 minus 16, because 21 is greater than 15. Remember, we have only one spot over here, and the highest number which you can write over here is f. Okay, 21 is too much. 21 minus 16 is equal 5. That's why I'm supposed to write 5 over here. And because I performed the subtraction, I'm supposed to carry of 1 to the next column. I have 1 plus 9 is equal 10. 10 plus b, b is 11, is equal 21. 10 plus 11 is equal 21. Okay, again I'm supposed to perform the subtraction. I have 21 minus 16, this is again equal 5. And because I perform the subtraction, I'm supposed to carry of 1 to the next column. This carry will come down. That's why I can write that 984c plus bd 48 is equal to 15,594 base 16. And this is the solution to my problem.